Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode on Digital Arena, where we bring to you all the opportunities in this digital age. My name is Gloria, and on today's video, we are going to be talking about graphics design and how you can become a successful graphics designer. Before we go into the main details, let's talk about graphic design for a minute. You know, as a graphic designer, there are some softwares that you need to be familiar with. I'm talking about graphic design softwares that help you to do your work. As a graphics designer, there are softwares that you ought to be familiar with. I'm talking about graphic design softwares like Photoshop, Canva, Corel Draw, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, just to mention a few. Now the next question is, why should you become a graphics designer? There are a whole lot of opportunities that awaits you when you have a good knowledge on this digital skill. Now, if you look around you, businesses are constantly trying to create awareness. Businesses are constantly trying to reach their customers. They are printing flyers, they are printing ID cards, they are making their logos. Who will do that for them? You, as a graphics designer. Yes, you can actually do that when you have a good knowledge on graphics design. Another part we're going to talk about is opportunities that you can get as a graphics designer online. Number 2, make sure your trainings are packed with lots of projects for you to work on that can help you understand better, that can facilitate your learning processes. Number 3, make sure you do not learn in a crowded classroom. Try as much as possible to avoid crowded classrooms and crowded lectures. Number 4, make sure to have the 100% attention of your trainer when you're training for this digital skill and every other digital skill. Now, if you look at it, number 4 is somewhat related to number 3, because when you learn in a less crowded classroom, you get to have your trainer's attention when you need it. Now, this gives you the freedom to relate with your trainer, ask questions, and be free whilst you're learning. The interesting part of this video is you can get to experience all of this when you register with us here at Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow Technologies, our digitally informed trainers are more than ready to fully impact in you. For the past 10 years, we have been equipping people like you with relevant digital skills that are in high demand. Our trainings are practical hands-on. When you register with us at Bizmarrow Technologies, we assign to you a personal trainer. And you will not learn in a crowded classroom, so you can have your trainer's attention 100%. Plus, we have lots of projects to facilitate your learning processes. This simply means that when you train with us here at Bizmarrow Technologies, you get to build real-life projects. So if you've heard all of this, I wonder what you're waiting for. You can visit any one of our physical offices to register and get started today. The digital economy is here. Are you ready, or would you be left behind? The best way to be fully prepared and ready is to learn a digital skill today. And until I come your way again, my name is Gloria. Make sure to stay digitally informed.